Welcome to the channel. It's AlmightyDen, and I want to see y'all win, because over here we trying to get rich off crypto and stocks, and I'm gonna show you all the way. You know what I'm saying? This is gonna be a grind. It's gonna be a process. But today I want to talk to y'all about three cryptocurrencies, three meme cryptos that have been going absolutely crazy and that has a lot of potential to go absolutely nuts. But with that being said, first things first, if you like cryptocurrencies, if you like stocks, if you're an AMC 8, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're new, so you don't miss no bangers. You can stay up to date and you can rock with me, and we're gonna build up a community of everybody trying to get their paper, get this money, and stay up to date on some of these cryptocurrencies. Because it's one thing that I want to let y'all to know, is that more so what my channel is going to be about is relating to y'all. You know, I can relate to a lot of feelings and emotions y'all have when deciding when y'all want to buy crypto, or deciding when you want to sell, and having FOMO. So I don't want y'all to FOMO in no more. You know what I'm saying? I want y'all to feel comfortable with the levels you buying at. So hopefully I can help y'all out. And understand, I'm no financial advisor, but let's get into it. Now, the first one we're going to start off with is Dogecoin. Now, if you look at Dogecoin, you look at the chart, I've told y'all so far, I feel like personally Dogecoin is one of the safer meme coins to buy right now, because it has been in this period of consolidation. It's not up here anymore where it's just shot up and it has a long way to go down. It's in a period of consolidations where you could average in, you can kind of add through this period at different price points and not have to worry about a super big drop, unless there's a super big drop in all of crypto. But right now, Dogecoin has been trading in this range for months. As you can see, even in about July, it was in August, July, it was at the same price point. So we have a very strong level of consolidation. So for this one, you know, this will be a good time to get in and not FOMO in. It's averaging, add some more down, especially average down, especially if you bought all the way up here or in the 70-cent range, 60-cent range, 40-cent range, 50-cent range, anything above 25 cents. This would be a good time, in my opinion. I'm no financial advisor, to get in and average your Dogecoin. Now, keep in mind this: the market cap is about 33, almost 34 billion, which leads me to our next one we're going to talk about is SHIBA. You know, SHIBA INU. Now, SHIBA INU. Let's go to the market cap at that one, because we know that previously, the other day, SHIBA did surpass Dogecoin in market cap. And it's at about 32 billion right now, so it's came down. Now, this is what I want to say. I do feel like right now, as of now, SHIBA has more momentum. As of recently, it's had more momentum, but now after it reaches its highs, it needs to break above these highs that it hit on October 28th before we see it go even further. Now, this is a more riskier play, in my opinion, in the short-term aspect, because it's already up there. It's already went up so much this year, and now it needs to calm down. Now it needs to consolidate or break out. It needs to consolidate or break out, because now it can either go lower or consolidate for a longer period of time before we see another breakout. But I do feel like it has a lot of potential to go a lot higher, but at the same time, it is at nearly the same market cap as Dogecoin, a couple billion off. And in this game, that's not that much. It's not hard to move up a couple billion off of the price of the whole cryptocurrency, and it can easily do that very quickly. It can easily do that. But now, like I said, we need to see a clear, clean breakout. I do feel like, in my personal opinion, Dogecoin is safer at the level it's at than SHIBA. But I know, like I said, that FOMO demon kicks in. You don't want to miss out. You know, if you want to buy the dip on SHIBA, then it's always get the dollar cost average in. You know, you see the dip. We got a nice little dip right here at about 0.00004265. That was a cool little dip. Right now, we see what direction it wants to go. If it wants to maybe bounce off this level right here, this line of support, if it can get there, I feel like that'd be a very good dip buying opportunity as well. But, you know, pick your points, be smart, because like the thing about cryptocurrencies is this: if you buy the peak and you drop 50%, you know, you're down 50%. But somebody who bought the dip at that 50%, if it goes back to your break even, they'll be up 100%, and you'll be back at break even. So that's the difference between crypto. That you kind of want. That's what you want to understand about, like, it's why it's so important to try to get a good entry, even if you're long term about it, because that could be the difference in maybe you having double the amount longer term. You know, right now it might not make as big of a difference, but if you hold this and hold this and hold these cryptos for a long period of time, double the amount can be a very, very big game changer, especially as if these cryptos go up 10x, 20x, 30x, 40x, 50x. If you look at it like that, you know, I mean, 10,000, 20,000, that's a big difference. 100,000, 200,000, big difference. 500,000, a million, big difference. And as you see, as the money goes up, the gap gets wider. So, you know, you got to pick a good entry. Now, the third one I want to show y'all, which could very well be the next Dogecoin, the next Shiba. Now, the third one I want to show y'all is Dogelon. So, Dogelon is pretty much, it's a meme coin, and it has this idea of, let me go to Twitter real quick. Let me go to Twitter, man, so I can show y'all the page. It has this idea of being a cryptocurrency on Mars. And it's kind of a combination of Dogecoin and like kind of how Elon thinks a bit, as a brief summary about it. But once you look at the following on Twitter, it has a good little following, 257,000 followers. It's still early. It's a lot earlier than SHIB is right now, than Dogecoin is right now, because the market cap for this is not even a billion. It is at about 940 million. Now, with that being said, that means it has a lot of potential to go up, which would mean for it to be the same price as Dogecoin and SHIBA INU, it would have to go up about 34, 35 times. At least 30 times, depending on the price. You see, it's at about Dogecoin's at 33, Shiba's at 32. So it has to go up at least about 30 times in price. So that's a 30x right there just to get set to the same price. Now, keep in mind that we're still in this time of crypto market where prices are still going through the roof, and still we expect things to go higher, which would give this even more potential long term. Now, based on the chart right now, like I said, I don't think this crypto has been out that long at all. I think it just dropped this year, maybe early April. So that's a good thing. That means it's an earlier chance for us to get in. It had a breakout at about, it's about like 60748. So let's go say like that. And it is right now at about 1894. So, in my opinion, it's not at the highs. It's at a range where it needs to decide whether it wants to go back down first or go up. But if I can buy close to this line right here, about all those zeros, like 6 zeros and then 726, around that range, that would be a very, very solid. I'd be more comfortable buying right there, because like I said, from here to here is a pretty big drop off, because the price is so small. It's a lot. It's really, really volatile. But that is the reason why you can get in early, even with a small amount, and it goes absolutely crazy. The amount that you could put in can go insane. So I think this is one that I'm definitely gonna have on my watch list. You definitely need to pay attention to. But like I said, you don't have to FOMO in. Right now, it's not at all-time highs. It's in a range. It's trying to form a range. Hopefully, it can form a bull flag. Maybe it comes down a little bit more down here. If it comes down a little bit more, I will be looking to add to get some as well. And then hold on to this, because it's really reminding me. It's really reminding me of how kind of Shiba started off. Because it started off kind of hype, came down, chilled out, and then it ran. But the difference right now is we're in a very, very bullish crypto market mode where a lot of these cryptos can go absolutely insane. So you don't want to miss out, but you don't want to FOMO in. As long as you play this thing smart, you'll come out on top. You'll win. Because like, even think about this. Even if you buy the dip and it goes down, you didn't buy the all-time highs. You see what I'm saying? If you buy the dip, you got a good price. If it dips even lower, then you're getting an even better price. If it dips even lower, then you maybe get the best price. You may be getting the best price. You know what I'm saying? So it's all about being smart, knowing where to put the money, knowing where to go, know how to rotate out. Now understand, these are just the meme coins. I am a firm believer in Bitcoin, Ethereum, ADA, and some other cryptos as well. But these have been going absolutely crazy, and y'all definitely need to have these on your watch list to stay posted. So anyways, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button, hit the sub button, cut the notifications on. Until next time, Dinsky out.